Let's see here. Getting things set up. All right. Looking good. We've got a plan for today. We're going to be doing some more Rust by example. Getting the introductions to Rust. We are making a major Rust upgrade at PubNub. One of the things that I want to do is make sure that I've gone through all the basics with Rust and I'm refamiliarizing myself. Hey, how's it going there? RUX 10,000, good to see you. First, yep, you made it first. You're here. Hey, Bobo Bear Yellow, good to see you. Welcome on in. I'm really excited. This is great. We're going to be doing some Rust. Rust is my favorite language. It's my favorite language because it's so powerfully efficient. I'm doing really good. How are you? Thank you for asking. How are you? Are you doing good? Hope you guys are doing good as well. We're going to be doing some Rust by example here. We've got our tutorial all set up. Nice and easy. Ready to go. What are we going to be doing? I'm not even sure. I'm not sure what we're going to be doing. Let's see. So, you're doing great. Nice. That sounds good. Rusty. Yay. There we go. You got it. You get it, Nobu Dev. Nobu Dev, we're gonna be doing some Rust. A little bit of Rust here. Let us look through some of this. All right, so we're gonna just pick off where we left last time. We left right here at this line, and it was like a little practice session. It's like, hey, there's something missing from this line. What do you think is missing? You're building something cool in Rust? Ooh, really? Nobu Dev. I would like to know what you're building. Tell me about it. I think that sounds really great. This is a neat little, what do you call this? This is a sort of like an annotation or directive, a macro. What is this? What is this right here in Rust? I forgot what you call this segment. Like what do you call this right here? Do you guys know? I need to find out. All right, Rust. What is this type of annotation called? What is that? What is this? We're gonna find out. This is called an attribute. Oh, a lint attribute. Okay. Lint attribute. Sounds good to me. When your instruction compiler suppressed code warning. Yep. Sounds good. All right. It's a lint attribute. That's all it is. Really simple lint attribute. This is pretty neat. So what you can do is you can say let nobu dev equals a number, right? You can do that. And then since if we try to run it, it should give us a warning. I believe. Where's the warning? There it is right there. I'm like, where's the warning? Why is it not showing up? Right here's the warning that you see at the top of the screen. You can eliminate the warning, I do believe, by running this. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if it requires a block or not. You can also put an underscore in front of it. Let's see if this allows dead code to work. I'm not sure. Let's find out. No, it doesn't like that. Wait, unless I didn't save it. Let me double check. All right. Try it again. Okay. So what if we did this? Not gonna do anything? Nope. It's gotta be a function. It's gotta be a closure. It's gotta be a block of code for it to work. So, if you wanted to eliminate the error message here, you could simply put an underscore on it. The warning is gone. The warning is gone. There you go. Started learning distributed systems. Ooh, what are you building? What are you building? I'm curious about it. And I'm building a sync engine that persists volumes on edge containers. Oh, that sounds so cool. All right, so this is real distributed computing that you're doing right now. This is really powerful. Some projects like databases typically like this kind of pattern, right? Because you've got multiple systems for reliability, fault tolerance. You need to have copies of your data. You got to have the copies around. You're doing it the right way. I think that's pretty neat. So what we could do is, let's see, let's do fn nothing here. And then we just have it. Basically, this is dead code right here. This is dead code. So I do believe we saved that. Oh, 1 second. Okay, there we go. Loop that. Got to make sure that's looped. Hello, Torva. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. We're doing more Rust here. We're going back over the Rust by example. There is a neat. So it doesn't have to necessarily be a defined function. It could just be a structure as well. You can do this with structure. All right. I do believe it will work here as well on a function. So nothing's done there. So if we rerun this, and it should give us a warning. Where's that warning at? Nothing here. See, there's a warning right here. Hey, how's it going there? Hey, brothers, welcome on in, 8800. Happy Tuesday. We're doing some Rust. Hi, hi, hi. Good to see ya. I'm happy right now because we're doing some Rust. We're going to be, and then, so if you want, so it's called allow dead code, which is an annotation. What did they call it? We just had it up. What is it? A lint. They called it a lint annotation. Oh, so it is an annotation. It is an annotation in Rust called an attribute, specifically a lint attribute. Okay, a lint attribute. Hi, Steven, I'm back. How's it going there, Brigitte? Brigitte Linham, good to see ya. We're doing more Rust today, a little bit more Rust. We will be going through some of the Rust by examples. So now that we added the annotation there, convert to identified snake case. Oh, there's a, it doesn't like that. Okay, so it wants this. Like that. You can't use, yeah, it's got to be snake case. I forgot that that was the thing in Rust. It doesn't want you to have Java-like camel case. You know, the different kinds of variables and function names and method names have to have a certain style pattern. I forgot that that was the case in Rust. Look at that right there. It's got to be a snake case. What? Did you know about that? I forgot. So now all of our warnings are gone. Look at that. Everything's green. It's all green. Is this learning practice or building something practical? Learning practice, Papa. We are building nothing right now other than just a quick little learning practice. Eventually, though, the plan is we're going to go back to AI in Python. We will be doing, we'll actually be building something. We'll be building something for real. For now, though, we're just kind of going back through the different things that you've got in Rust. For some Rust by example. All right, so let's check this out. Let number. So you can change, you can define numbers. We did this yesterday pretty much. However, let's do this again real quick. So we've got a nothing here. However, we're actually going to run the nothing. So let's do that here. Okay, we'll run the nothing. The nothing kill. Although there is something now. Now there's something here. All right, let's just change that. Something. We'll change it to something here. 1 second. Redo Y. Paste. Perfect. Okay. Fantastic. Mad respect to the ones that read code. I build AI, barely read code, but I'm learning. All right. Yeah, you're on the right track. You're doing it the right way. I do that too. I use the AI. I use Gemini, Codex, Claude. That's what we do here too. However, it is always good to keep your skills up to speed. Keep practice going. So we're doing some practice. All right. So let number. So it's a nobu dev equals. We'll make you a number. So you'll be a float 64. You'll 64-bit number. 100. A whole bunch of numbers there. And we will print. Let's do print ln exclamation point. And then was it Nobu? Can we do that? Is that all? Is that all we have to do? Can we do that? No. I'm thinking of Python, right? We can't do that. We've got to pass in a variable. It's not. Is there a way to do that? Is there an F-string style pattern in Rust? Hey, how's it going there, Kyle? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Saw you yesterday on your live. That was kind of neat. You're like, should we buy this? Should we buy that? Should we buy this? That was really neat. I like that. The clicker game uploading, we playing it to the code. Playing it to the code. Hey, how's it going there, Gabriel? Gabriel Thomas, the clicker game. What's this clicker game? You like Cookie Clicker? I like Cookie Clicker. Hey, Beneath, good to see ya. Hey, welcome on in. All right, so we have to do nobu dev. Here we go. So that, I do believe, should work perfectly fine. No, just kidding. This cannot be removed. What do you mean? Nobu dev. Can we do that? Is that what we do? Okay, there we go. Did it work? Oh, it didn't actually print anything, did it though? Did it print anything? Oh wait, yes, it sure did, because the number is 1. It's right here on the screen. I didn't even notice it. Here, let's add some decimal places there so we can see it a little bit better. There you go. Now you can really see it. Hi, Torva. Hi, Steven. Good to see you. My current issue is getting Piper to work on your TTS pipelines. Slamming head into keyboard. Oh, no. That sounds like you're in a tough situation. Don't worry. The AI will probably be able to take care of it for you. Beneath, what's up today? We are doing some Rust by example. Some of the basics. Some Rust basics. Bro still in multiverse of Python and doing multiverse of Rust. Bro, I know, right? We're going to be doing more. I'm actually really excited to get back into PyTorch, and we'll be getting a little bit. So we did all the matrix manipulation functions. A lot of fun, right? There's a lot of fun that you can do. Even the very strange matrix manipulation functions. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Variables. You got it. We're doing some variables. So here's what I want to know. You know, in Python, when you can do, was it F strings, format strings? Can you do that in Rust? I feel like you can. I remember doing it. I want to do it again. Yeah, exactly. Instead of, yes, you can do that, the explanation format. Is that instead of, okay, so it's explanation format. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. So print, we'll do print ln explanation, and we just said format explanation like this. And we could just do this, right? Is what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? Thank you for the hearts and reactions, you guys. It's good to have you here today. / / So you're saying we can do this? Is that, will that do the trick? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Oh, what? Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh. wait. Okay, got it. Let's see here. Like this. Okay, perfect. Yeah, in Rust and in Python, the code in multiverse of coding with AI and without AI. Both way is fun. What you say, bro? It's both fun. I got it. You got it. The sprite button. What? What do you mean? What do you mean the sprite button? Sprint button? All right, here. Oh, look at that. You're right. All right, so that did it right there. Yeah, right there, you guys. All right, so the format right here. It just straight up grabbed that data from the current scope, the name variable. Perfect. Format. That was it. Thank you. That's what I was looking for. Making the clicker game. Keep on clicking on that, making the clicker game. Yeah, I like that. Nice, Torva. Nice. Did you make a gaming channel? There's no commitment. I have one. Hey, Kyle, that sounds... It's not off the table, right? We were talking about that last stream. Maybe someday. Someday, right now, though, I only have a little bit of time to stream out throughout the day, and right now is that time right now. Just a smidgen of time now. You got it. So good to have you guys here. We're going to do some more Rust. Let's take it. Let's keep on going. All right, so we just did some variables. You can do a usize. What's usize? What's up with the usize? All right, what is usize in Rust? What is it? What even is it? A pointer-sized unassigned integer type. The size is primitive on how many bytes it takes to reference any location in memory. Oh. Okay, so then how big is usize? How big can it go? How can it go bigger? Minecraft, yeah, exactly. I want to do some Minecraft. I would like it. What's the biggest size? Signedness, yeah. What is it? How big can a usize be in Rust? Question mark. How big is it? How big is it? Hey, Abbott, or Abbott, how's it going, Abbott? How do you keep with all the language, man? I know, right? There's so many languages. So many of them here. Random question. What do you got there? I saw you redacted that. You can't hide that from me because I've got your redacted messages right here. Try to hide them if you dare. You can't. You're removing Rust from a car. Oh, right. Brigitte. That's one of the common, I know, right? That's one of the common things. All right, the maximum size of usize, it's directly tied to the target architecture of a machine. Oh, because it matches the size of the pointer. Its bigness changes depending on where it's compiled. So it's a 64-bit on default on 64-bit. However, we both know that it can be 128. It can go bigger. Oh, hey, Mark Lemon, good to see you. Good to have you here. Happy Tuesday. Hello. Hey, how's it going there, Dangle? Or Dangwall, Mr. Dangwall. Welcome on in. I accidentally sent a message before I completed it. Hey, don't worry about it. I thought we're good to go. Go to code. Yep, we're going to code. We're making code happen today. So we are doing some, I do have to click a button on my oven because I was cooking some broccoli. And I got to open the oven real quick. I'll be right back. BRB. All right, there we go. You can start calling me Brandon. Oh, wait. Brandon. Oh, right. Brigitte is Brandon because that's my real name. All right, Brandon. I will try to remember Brigitte Brandon. Brigitte Linneman is actually Brandon. I'll try to remember that. All right, so Brandon equals Brigitte Lanneman. All right, like that, Lanneman. All right, Brandon. I will try to remember. There is a lot of challenges to remembering things these days. Great to see you again, Steven. Saws, good to see you. The Saws is here, you guys. Also, we got Gabriel Thomas saying hello. Good to have you. Welcome on in. Good to see you guys. Bouncing ball, Gabriel Thomas. The bouncing ball. That's what we're going to do. We are doing some Rust. All right, so let's get back into it. All right, so I think we're pretty much good. So let's do a usize real quick, just for fun of it. We will say Brandon, colon F128. You're going all the way. Oh, you can't do an F128, but you can do an I128. We know about that. You have a really big number. There you go. Let's also format, and we'll say Brandon, like this. Let's see if it builds and runs. That right there. Ginormous numbers, you guys. Ginormous, really big numbers right there. All right. Learning on our way. Let's see here. All right, so standard format contains traits which govern the display of text. Debug and display traits. So we can take care of those things later. All right, let's go to the next thing. Debug. Okay, we're going to learn about the annotation for derived debug on a structure. So apparently we're going to do some structures here. All right, derive debug on a structure. So you can create a structure, which is just going to have a number in it. Structure. It's called structure. Why I make a clicker game? Because they're fun. They're great. They're also really easy. Discord? Yep, Discord. Absolutely. Wait a second. My microwave's running. I'm heating up rice. Oh no! Brandon, go get the rice. All right, so let's make a new. Actually, you know what? Main. We'll just clear all this up. We'll clear all this up here. All right, pause, play. All right, getting some music going there. Okay, let's do E. We will go source main, and we'll just delete everything and start fresh. Start clean and fresh. Okay, there we go. Rebuild, run, nothing happens there. Excellent, perfect. Okay. Rice isn't a vegetable. Well, no one, yeah, exactly. It's a, what is that? It's like, it's a grain, or it's a seed, right? Hey, Nathaniel, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. It's only Tuesday, you guys. And all right, we got a good Tuesday. It's nice and sunny weather outside. All right, here in Seattle at least. Grain, yes, you got it, grain. All right, let's create a structure. Okay, so let's do a struct. So struct, we got a structure. Well, actually, we'll call it Torva here. Struct Torva has a number I64 in it. So that'll be Torva right there. All right, what else did it wants us to add a derived debug onto it. Let's type that in. So that allows us to print. You go, was it like this? Derive debug adds onto it. Oh wait, did I do that right? Oh, I gotta end it. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. It was Alexa alarm. Yeah, it was. You know, that's it. You recognize it. I don't know if you were able to hear that in the background. It was an Alexa. Ooh, I can't wake up the smart. Make sure to only talk about the smart speaker device in not its real wake name. You can't say the wake name. All right. So we've got some structure, a deep structure. Oh, a deep structure. You can nest it. Let's do nested. All right, struct deep, and we'll call Torva. So you can nest it. So you got a nested one. We can also derive debug on that. Looks good to me. Enable text-to-speech. We can talk to your home systems. I know, right? That'll happen. Maybe we'll get that going. Why make a clicker game with prestiges? What's a prestige? Wait, what is a prestige? Hold on. Wait. Prestiges. What is this? Refers to a widespread respect, admiration. Oh, prestige. Oh, are you saying prestige? I just couldn't read that. Nathaniel, what are you doing? Oh, we're walking through some basics on Rust. We're going back through Rust again. We're doing a little bit of Rust here, you guys. All right. So print ln exclamation point, and then we do derive debug, which allows you to print out a lot of extra good stuff here. Woot, Rust, yeah, exactly. We're doing some Rust. Give me my bank information, right? No, Pinos. Why I make a clicker game? Well, because you want to. There's no other good reason why. Make me happy? All right, we'll do the best we can. We'll do the best we can here. If you like Rust, then that might help a lot. No, that's Cobalt. What about Cobalt? Okay, let's see here. We want, what are we doing? Oh, so you can print the number like this. This is going to give us some warnings when we run this because of our structs. However, we're fine there. What if we do, so we need to initialize a struct, right? A T equals Torva like that. Will that work? Can you do that? Did I do that right? Is this wrong? Hold on. How do we structure? Oh, right. Okay. No, that should work. Oh, do we have to type it? How do we do this? It's a struct. All right. T, not, oh, let. You can see it's been a little while since I've had the Rust running. All right, there we go. Look at that. All right, Torva 1, 2, 3. And we can also do a D, let D equals D and Torva. Perfect. So we can print out a D here because we've got derived debug. Wait, is there an error? It didn't like that? Why didn't it like that? Wait, hold on. Deep. Where? How do we do deep? Structure. Oh, wait, you've got to define it in line. It can't be an existing one. It can't be an already existing one, so it's got to be like Torva 1, 2, 3. How about we do Torva 4, 5, 6? Torva 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now it's happy. Now it's happy. All right. Sounds fine to me. K Horace said hi. Thank you. Good to see you. No coder. You can mod the capacitor and up the power level. However, you may blow up the melt in the wires. You could. If you want to. If you want to. Don't want to. All right, let's keep going, you guys. Let's keep going. Let's do more. All right, so we did a bunch of structures. All right, so we've essentially, what we've done here is we've used structures in Rust, which is a way that you can encapsulate a bunch of different data types into one sort of structure and sort of like a class. Kind of like a class a little bit, where you've got the data and then you can apply methods to the structure with an implementation. Then you can add traits to a structure, which are required implementations. I believe, what are they called? Kind of like, I forgot what it was called in Java. Why block sad? What do you mean your block sad? Your block should be happy because we've got a nice open block right here. All right, let's look what else we got here. All right, so these are, I don't like these right here. If you've seen these right here, these are called lifetimes. Avoid. You don't need them. You really don't. You never need them. You don't need them. Avoid the lifetimes. We're not going to be using those. We won't be using lifetime. I'm going to show you how to do this without a lifetime. Struct person. All right, let's define a person. Struct. We'll call this. How about we say Brandon again, and then it will be what's inside Brandon. Okay. We'll just go like this. I believe you could do that. I'm pretty sure you can. And then you say name is previous name will be an answer, right? Can you do this? I think so. Let's see. Let's see if that works. This should compile. Expected lifetime parameter. All right. Is there other way that we can do this? I don't want the lifetime. I don't want to deal with lifetimes. I want to get rid of them. Fun fact, Steven has a playlist, Rust by Example, on his channel. That's right. Kyle, you got it. You know it. You know it, Kyle. Sure do. Okay. So I want to avoid this right here because it's unnecessary. You don't need it. I don't want to deal with it. So I forgot how to do how do we do this? So different types of strings in Rust. All right, so I know there's an answer. What else is there? All right, so you've got string, that was toString. You've got S string, and you've got the and string. And that was a slice. So that's it, just between the two. Is that all it is? In BG, my playlist, bro. It's your playlist. You got it. That's what we're listening to right now. I believe all microwave inverter came from one place in China. It has different sticker on the back. However, it comes from one manufacturer. How's it going there, Shawcat? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. We're doing some Rust by example here. All right, so string. So can I just say string straight up like that? Can I do string like this? Just like that? And it won't have any errors or problems or warnings or error. Oh, is that not how we do that? How do we say it's a type of string? String. Let's string. All right, so defining a type of string. Strings in Rust. It's just been so long. Let's see here. String, hello. Yep, string looks good. That's an and string. We don't want the and string. I want it to be a forever string. Data's always in memory. Type of string. This is not what I'm looking for. I want to define instruct. I want this. This is what I want right here. I want it to look like that. And it doesn't like that. What is wrong here? The extra comma should be fine. I don't think that's a problem. All right, so what do we got here? Error expected. Oh, I'm not supposed to have a semicolon there. I'm thinking different language here. That's all it was. It was a semicolon. Really? That's ridiculous. I just stretch. Hey, Jen Lu, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday, Brandon. No, my microwave's made in Japan. Oh, all right. Oh, I bet you have components in there from China. All right, so so here's how you avoid lifetimes. You don't have to deal with them. You really don't. If you want to slice though, then you can just take the slice of the string with an and string. Otherwise, so like this would be and string, which is slice. However, we just have a full string here. We have Brandon name and then the name. So let b equals Brandon. And I believe we could say, I don't know, I think, or do we have to say name equals? How do we do this? Let's find out. Okay, and then we will say and derive debug. So we can print it out nice and pretty. Microwave discussion. My microwave is old. Is it, Jinlu? What brand microwave do you have, Steven? I have a Panasonic. I don't know. I'll find out for you. Let me find out. It says it's General Electric. It came with the house. I didn't buy it, so I don't know what it is, and I also don't really use it. I haven't used it for a long. I only use the oven and a pressure cooker. Panasonic. I had one of those Oh, you did an internship there once? Panasonic, you guys. I think that you want the curly braces and the struct initialization. Yeah, okay. That's what. Yep, you were. Yep. Thank you, Cargo. Thank you, Cargor. Or hey, Cargor. Is your name based off the cargo? Off of cargo from Rust? The Rust package management struct. Damn you, autocorrect. Yeah. So that'll fail, right? So that'll fail. However. Yep, you want the curly braces like that. Oh, you're right. Look at that, Cargor. Thank you. Look at what you did there. Oh, it wants a .2 string because it is it. I forgot you had to do this in Rust. It's been a little while since I've written in Rust string. All right, there you go. Okay. Are we happy now, Rust? No, you're still not happy. Right? Little things at a time. All right, colon. Now we're good. Oh, we're fine, but just with the warning. Just a little bit of warning. I like that. All right, so what's the warning? What's the problem? Field in this structure. Yeah, what about it? What about that field? Field name is never used. Oh, all right, so let's do .name. Let's do .name. How about that? Then we'll actually have it being used. Hey, that counts as being used. Hold on a second. Torva, this field, what is it? Never used? Field 0 is never used. Oh, so deep 0? Can you do that? How about that? Is that better now, Rust? Is it better? I-64, never used. Okay, fine. We'll do it like this. There you go. Now are you happy, Rust? Now it's finally happy. This is what it's going to be like to program with Rust. Just to let you know, every time you do it, it's very strict. Old school CS nickname. Mainly use your induction oven and stove. Yeah, Torva, me too. I'm not ready for Rust. Hey, don't worry about it. Nobody is. You're never ready for it. You will never be ready for Rust at any point, at any moment in your life. I promise. I promise. All right. I know we're doing a lot of Python, and it's very forgiving in Python. And this is like, nope, error. Oh, you did it wrong. You did it wrong. You're doing it wrong. We do it live. Exactly, K-Hora. You got it. We're doing it live. All right. So we got through that one. Keep going. Okay. So name, age, person. Oh, right. That's right. This is also a neat little pattern that you can do in Rust. You can do this. Thank you for the hearts and reactions live. It's good to have you guys here. I'm so happy you're here. We're doing some Rust today. All right, so let's try this. Let's add, instead of doing name like this, let's do let name equals Brandon, like this, Brandon, and then we just do name like this, name. Can we do that? Or is that gonna work? Will that work? I don't know. Let's find out. No, it's gonna give us an error, isn't it? I'm definitely gonna give us an error. Oh, I knew it was gonna give us an error. How is it? So we need to do let age. Hey, it's supposed to work perfectly fine. Look at that. See? Hold on a sec. Oh, because it's an and stir. Oh, because of the slice, you guys. Because of the slice. I see. All right, so and stir like that. Is that going to work? No, it's never going to work. You can never expect it to work. It wants you to deal with lifetimes now. Hey, Colin, welcome on in. You made it. Welcome on in. Brute force override. I love it. Exactly. After some time, you'll love the compiler and biochecker. It will give you a nice error message. Good hints. Cargor, yep, 100% with you on that. We're getting back into it. I've been doing some Python and JavaScript for the last year, and it's just been a while since I've done some Rust. Just a little bit. You can do a .into on the name. Let's do that. Let's do a .into name. Like right here. .into. However, we're gonna have to do this. I'm pretty sure. Now it's going to be happy, isn't it? Yeah, now it's happy. However, I want to do this syntax. I want this syntax. Oh, well, I can't unless it's a slice, right? And I don't want to deal with lifetimes. So we're not going to do it. We're just not going to. Cargor, yep, nice. We're doing it. .into right there. All right, so we're going to call that one done. Next, display. Format debug hardly looks compact and clean, so it is often advantageous to customize the output appearance. This is done by manually implementing the format, bright screen. The FMT display trait, right? This is a trait? I'm pretty sure it's a trait, which uses the markers for printing. Implementing it looks like this. We do an implement the trait on the structure. Okay. And then we have to do an FMT with a formatter, and we have to type it exactly perfect. And then we write to the output, just like this. Okay, we're getting a little tricky there. Hay is for horses. PETA, the horse, is here. Is it? Wait, PETA the horse? Is really PETA the horse here? How's it going there, Kevin? Just coded my first drone in Rust, like a real drone. Did you really? Is this Rust? You got it, Common. We're definitely doing some Rust. Kind of looks like Golang. A little bit, doesn't it? Just a smidgen. Don't worry, they're not the same. They're very different. Can you code to hack Wall Street? Oh, how's it going there, Ashwin? Ashwin, good to see you. Happy Tuesday. It's a meme, is it? oh, got it. Got it. All right, so let's try to implement something on our structure on Brandon here. Let's try to do this. All right, so we got to do implement FMT display on the Brandon, right? Oh, for Brandon. And is that it right there? Okay, for Brandon. And we're going to create an FN, a function called, what is it called? FMT. You got to type this perfectly or else it's not going to work. And self, address to yourself. Yep, always do an and self. And then F for the formatter and mutable. FMT formatter, like that, with 2 T's. Formatter. Wait, where'd it go? All right, formatter. And then it returns an FMT result. Okay. Rocket arrow, FMT, results, like this. Okay. All right. We're making our way. It's happening. I wonder what would happen if we tried to compile this. Is it going to work? No, of course. Why would it ever never work? Use of unresolved module FMT. Do we have to import? Yes, we do. We have to use std FMT. All right, let's add that. Use FMT std. Just like that. Okay. How about now? Use FMT. I did. It's right there. What are you talking about? It's right there. std FMT. Right here. Right here. Right here. It's like, no, you got to do it like this. I did. It's right there. It's like one of the common problems that you got. Oh, I put it the wrong way. std FMT. I put it. All right. I always blame it. You got to blame the user in this case, right? You got to blame the user for that one. All right. Now we're on to the next problem. AKA nuclear reactors currently solving the asymmetrical matter dilemma via particle accelerators. User error. I know, right? It's got to be the user. It's got to blame the user. All right. So I just had him revert. I had him reversed. All right. So what's wrong with it now? It's you. That's the phrase you're going to hear about this all day today. What's wrong with it now? Expect result error found. Yeah. What's wrong with? Oh, did I just type it wrong? What did I type wrong? Oh wait, I didn't actually return anything. Okay. So something's got to return. So we have to do a write exclamation point macro on the F, which is the formatter, and it's going to be interpolating the first element of our self.name. We're going to do self because it's Brandon, right? And you don't put a semicolon here. Nope. You thought you wanted to put a semicolon everywhere? Nope. It says Perl world. For whatever reason, they decided to copy one of the things from Perl, which is a really old programming language that I really liked. I really love Perl. And they just copied that one thing over here for no good reason. No good reason. Why'd they do it? Why? Why did they do this? Here, look at this code. It's more succinct. You understand what's happening there. No, it's not really quite that obvious. However, basically, on the last line, when you want to return data from your function, you exclude the semicolon, and you just, whatever value is the result from the expression gets returned to the upper scope. That's how that works. If you never know, that's how that works. A little bit of Perl sneaking in there. Just a smidgen of Perl. I don't know why they kept that one. I really don't. How's it going there, Mike, yo? Philo? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Rust would drive me crazy. Sometimes getting stuck in these types of coding issues makes me physically ill. Hey, Kyle, it's a lot of fun, but also, yeah, it can be problematic. Rust is a pain in the body. It sure is. Very stable once it's going, though. You got it, Kehora. It is worthwhile. It's why I love Rust. It's worth it. I'm going to ask my teacher tomorrow if I can use school soldering irons. Ooh, nice! To desolder some components of a PCB that took out of a case recently. You should do it. You should do it. Those heat guns, they're also not very... Brandon, how mad would you be when your Mac freezes now? I would be not that... actually, I wouldn't be anymore. Like, I feel like I've hit that point in my... Because I'm old now. I'm old, right? I'm in my 40s. So, and for those of you who are... Those of you who are new here, my name is Stephen Blum, CTO at PubNub. Oh, hey, look at that. I own my own company, and we're doing just fine. We're doing just fine. We do API for communication technologies, multi-user experiences. We could also, oops, sorry, let me get that window back into the right spot. We could also just code the code from the VOD. What? Not I'll save up to buy soldering iron yourself. Yeah, Jinloop, soldering irons. They're pretty good price, I think, because the demand is low on soldering irons, so they should be. And it's just a heating filament. Yeah, you plug it in, it heats up, and it's like a little, right? It's like a pen, but instead of a pen, it's a metallic piece. I think it's iron. The good thing you get into really quick, I come from dynamic languages. Clojure, you come from Clojure, which is very different, but now I can really enjoy Rust. Nice, Rust is great. Rust is great. All right, so that shouldn't fail, right? That was very lucky. No, that was very lucky. Copy if that happens. You can do it. You can do it. You submitted that chat app to the hackathon. Good job, Common. That's fantastic. Great to hear it. All right, let's keep going. All right, so that worked. Thank goodness. All right. So this is how you can implement a trait for your structure that will automatically print. And this is the display trait, so it's just printing it. So I do believe we can say, what is it? Is this, we did it for Brandon. So we should be able to just say print B like this, I believe, right? That's the display trait. So if we run this, it should just print Brandon. Yep, there you go, right there. Right here, you guys. Look at that. So if the stream Mac crashes, we could just copy the code from the VOD of the stream. Oh, right. Yeah. Torva, I didn't even think of that. Yeah, usually I save very often though. So if it crashes, no big deal. Or try to commit it to Git. In this case, there's nothing worth saving. There's nothing worth saving. In 2022, I have 8 gig RAM. Oh, very low. And in 2026, I have 8 gig DDR5 with 32,000 or 3,200 mega transfers a second. Now you're rich. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. In 2026. Do you ever feel the repo reviews? Oh, did you ever do the repo reviews? You streamed late and I fell asleep and missed it. I didn't. Let's see. Did you have a few in there? I forgot. Where'd you put them? Did you put them in Linkshare? Or I forgot, because we could do those. We could do a couple of those now. We could do a couple of those now. Might as well. Might as well. You have 16 gigs. Hey, now you're balling now. That is a chilling with your 32 gigs. Yeah, there you go. Everyone's like doubling it up. Well, but what about 64 gigs? 3200 is slow for DDR. Would it not be something like 4800? I'll put them in the link share. Sounds good. Sounds good. We'll do some reviews in the link share. All right. Scrolling through. You might have posted them around here somewhere. All right. We'll keep on going with some Rust here. I have that in my VR rig. Nice. Giving credit to Kyle, you can start repo review channel. Oh, a dedicated channel for repo reviews. Maybe. That could be pretty fun. Your work PC has almost 200 gigabytes. Almost 200 gigabytes? That's amazing. That's absolutely amazing. All right, let's keep going here. All right, let's do a little bit more Rust here, you guys. A little bit more Rust. Where are we at? Keep on going. All right. Oh, okay. What do we got here? So, import FMT, derive debug, min-max, display. So you can display the min-max, the same as before. So we already did that, no big deal. I was just showing another example. We did that, that's fine. We don't need to go through that again. And then you can display and you can debug. Was there a debug in here too? Or was it just display? No, just derive debug. Okay, that sounds fine. Brandon, want to know what my oldest speaker... All right, that's right, Brandon. Panasonic, please search them up. All right. We'll do another search up. Panasonic SBCH40. What do you got here? What do you got? Images. Let's see here. Is it this one? Let's see, images. Which one is it? I can't tell. I can't tell which one is this. It looks like this is the common one right here. Is this it? That is crazy. That is crazy. Is this it here? It's so old that the resolution of the picture that's captured its likeness is in very compressed JPEG. From the 90s, probably this image, this data made its way all the way from the 90s, or maybe even earlier, all the way to 2026. Since I do a lot of R&D, research and development, running simulations require a ton of memory. Oh, now we know why you have almost 200 gigabytes. Now we know why. I mean, why making a dedicated channel? We can just do a playlist. All right, that sounds good. Exactly, we can just do a playlist. Stream is separate from coding streams and the reviews. You got it. We could. If you want to look up what I took the PCB out of, it's called a Dell. All right, I want to check that out. Let's take out what you see. Dell WISE P20. What is this here? Oh, look at that. Oh, that's really neat. That's like extremely compact computing. Like it's a mini PC. It's like almost a Raspberry Pi, except for, you know, it's got all the right plugs and stuff. It's got a lot of plugs. Why? What are you doing? Or is this the one with the DVI ports? The really old school DVI ports right before they came out with DisplayPort? That's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. You have a 3 modded 4090. You have 3 modded 4090s. with 48 gigs of RAM. That is quite a bit. That is quite a bit. Most NVIDIA drivers are unstable price since it's not technically supported. That's fair. That's fair. It's a thin client, so it does not it does not do any computing itself. So how does it do computing if it's a thin client? Hold on, I want to learn more about this. What is inside it? There's not much inside that. What is this? I mean, this could be like a processor. There's got to be some sort of central processing unit and a little bit of memory. What part are you soldering? What are you doing? What are you doing from a component perspective? What are you taking out of here? I'm just kind of curious. Let's see. Oh, sorry. What did you guys say? And you have to run some custom VBIOS. A VBIOS? A custom VBIOS. Is that a workstation? It looks like it's a thin client, according to what it said. Hello, sir. Remember me? How's it going there, Shrewjank? Shrewjank Harwadi. Welcome on in. Good to see you. It connects to a server. Ah, okay, got it. Oh, and what stereo you have? All right, Brandon. Essentially. Okay, sounds good. I desoldered the different ports, like the RJ45. Oh, okay. All right, so the network ports and the audio ports. So you can use them for Arduino project. Ah, you're going to take it apart. You're going to take away the livelihood from the machine. And so you said this port here and the audio port here. One of these audio ports here. So something like this port here and the RJ45 here. All right, that sounds pretty neat. Far less than a few Rust. Yeah, we're doing a little bit of Rust today. We're doing a smidgen of Rust. All right, let's go back over to a little bit more here. All right, let me double check here. Oh, all right, so Kyle pasted in some code reviews. So it looks like we have two of them. What is it called? Thirth, a security hook for your shell. All right, let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. What do we got here? All right. All right, your browser catches homograph attacks. Your terminal doesn't. The Thirth guards the gate, intercepts suspicious URLs, ANSI injections, and pipe to shell attacks before they execute. That sounds pretty nice. Oh, I know what's going on here. Can you spot the difference? Okay, so you can see here, you actually can't see. There's no difference. So it says here, I recognize this because characters. So I and the I, right? These are spelled differently, right? You bet you can't see this. I bet you can't see it on the screen because I can't see it on my side either. I cannot. I missed IT. You do? You missed IT? So watch this. If I search for this install, you'll notice that it's not highlighting this other one. However, if I search for example, right, you can see the two examples highlighted. However, you won't find this, right? So you said install. It's not the same install. This is a different I right here, right? Install. Isn't this amazing? Isn't that weird? And the same for CLI too. So if we say CLI, you can see it only highlights one. However, it doesn't highlight this other one because the I is a different character code. Do you like your microwave? Nor than me. I don't know, Brandon. I think my microwave is fine. I just don't use it. I don't use it that often. All right. This is pretty neat. There's a lot to it though. I don't know what you want me to evaluate further here. So let's look here. Crates. Was third. Source. Main. Okay. Very clean. If you run into code like this, you're looking at really good code. Although there's a lot of extra things, I guess, for different environments. Arg long default. Shell string. Okay. So JSON output. This is weird. This is weird. All right, so you've got an enum here, and then you're annotating it. That's very uncommon. I don't like that. I like how clean it looks. I just don't like this extra annotations. I like keeping things as basic as possible. Hey, Quantified Quantum, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Tuesday. Oh, I don't even comment my codes. Oh, is this your code? For listen to few? Oh, no, it's not your code because you don't comment it. Nice music. Is it YouTube library? Yeah, you got it. YouTube library. Some YouTube library there. All right. So this right here, I'm just not into because it's extra annotation. It says arg long, which is weird, and it says it's a Boolean. So why? Like why Why mix this stuff like that? It's just weird. It's just uncommon. And then you've got this extra stuff here for, you just need standard data types. You don't need to go extra further. So otherwise, this looks very clean. There's just a lot of annotations. And I don't like it. I don't like that part. I want it to be cleaner. See, right here, see, perfect. Perfect, right there. You know what it is? It's a string, it's a URL, no weirdnesses to it. Nothing you need there. I do this all the time. I have an unreadable name in Skate because I added Unicode letters. Did you? It's sometimes fun. How's it going there, Zahin? Zahin, welcome on in. The other repo is more fun. Hey, Kyle, don't worry. We'll go through some of the code on this one. And we'll read some more on the other one. You went back a month and then you don't know what you just did. Yeah, it's always a problem, isn't it? You go back a month and it's like, what's going on? I don't even know what's going on there. So yeah, I don't like this here. I don't like this. I don't like this. It's just unnecessary. It's just extra. And you don't need it. You can write code perfectly fine without these annotations. Now, don't get me wrong. This code is clean. It's short. It's easy to read. It's understandable. This is the only part the only part that I don't like is the extra annotations here. The attributions. What's like, what you like more in your kitchen than me? I don't know about that one. What do you mean? You heard about the stunt Discord is pulling because they're going public? Something about age verification, right? Is it something about age verification? I heard about that. Some age verification, you guys. I definitely heard about the age verification. Quantum, how's the integration of the mod database coming? Oh, yeah, very nice. I remember you guys started that. You're in the Discord? Nice, Kehora. Good to have you in the Discord. Apparently, though, we're gonna have to do some sort of verifications. Yeah, they're gonna scan your face. Oh, really? They're gonna scan your face? Well, something that I guess I don't have to worry about because I'm in my 40s. I assume that's perfectly fine for a Discord user. I assume. How's it going there, John Phoenix? What's something that's new in freelance space? Well, freelancing has gotten a lot easier with the AIs. VR chat did the age verification. It did? Age verification is only necessary if you want to access the AM channels. Oh, I don't. What are those? If you know what I mean. I don't know what you mean. I guess I think you're probably talking about more adult channels, maybe. It's so the creepers don't mess. Yeah, exactly. You got to take out the creepers. Can you do house tour? Yeah, we could do a house tour at some point. We got to get things hooked up so that way I can carry you around and show you what the deal is. You meant the not safe for work channels. Got it. Yeah, I figured. Thank you for the hearts and likes, you guys. We're doing a little bit of code review right now. And then that's the plan for today. Some code review. Fun thing is, what's that? Thank you for the hearts, you guys. So this is pretty great. I'm fine with this. This is one of the parts that I like about Rust is the match. You can take all of the different enumerations you have, and it requires you to fully exercise every option possible in code. It's so great. I love it. It's fantastic. So you can see here, there's just a simple match statement, and then it goes down the list, and it's like you get to see everything, every single possibility. Thank you for all the hearts and likes, you guys. I can see those heart float reactions there. Good to have you here. Let me find one of the old repositories. We can cringe together at it. All right, Jinlu, do it. Let's cringe together at the repositories. So you can skip them by modifying the client. What? All right, let me scroll up here. Okay, so what'd you say? What's going on? Why my Rust doing here? Exactly, Amba. Amba, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Tuesday. We're looking at some Rust, you guys. Just a little bit of Rust today. Yeah, I didn't know either you had API keys for your YouTube or not. I designed it for minimal usage, so cost should be near to none. That sounds great to me. I like low cost things, don't you guys too? You like low cost things? All right. What else do we have in here? All right, so let's look through a little bit more of this code here. Let's go over the source. There was extra source over here. All right, so there was assets. Let's go into assets. Oh, I see what's going on there. All right, let's pull this back over here. Let's look at the assets file and see what the deal is. All right. I love you in every way. Really? Wait, let me zoom out on that so I can see that better. In a good way, of course. Absolutely. Brandon, thank you. I appreciate it. It's so good to have you here. This is great, you guys. Finally, a live of my interest. Hey, Yoshi. How's it going there? Welcome on in. Hey, it's Lexfer. Hey, man. Good to see you. Welcome on in. We're doing some Rust, you guys. All right, let's look at this one. So what do we got here? So we've got a public constant in this file called the assets file. Thank you for the party poppers, you guys. Include string, concat, environment. Okay, so this is going to capture some environmental variables. Is that what's going on? This is best live for software. Yes, right. That's what we're doing. We're doing software, you guys. Every way, Steven, right? Why? Wait, what do you mean every way? What is that? I'm actually not familiar. What, WYM? I'm not familiar with the WYM. Hey, that's because I'm old, you guys. Hold on a second. WYM acronym meaning. Hold on 1 second. Is a what you mean. Is it? Oh, I should have known that. I feel like I should have known that one. What you mean every way, Steven. Next week, please do house tour. Oh, sure. I may get that on this. Put it in the link share. Had to set it back in the public. All right, sounds good. I meant it means what you mean. Yeah, Lex for her. Thank you. What you mean? We figured it out. Let's see if I can remember it now. Let's see if my brain will allow me to remember it. All right, so this is really clean. All right, so just to let you know, this is very clean. I like that part. I like that part of this. Why is there NPM involved in this? What's going on here? Is there an NPM package for this? Binary. Is this? Oh, look at that. Why is there? What's going on here? Interesting. Oh, so it allows you to install the binary, and you can install it through NPM. Okay, that sounds fine to me. That seems perfectly fine. It means public. I'm stealing your code. Exactly. Steal all the code. It's open source. You might as well. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, so Kyle, you posted a second one here, and I will get to yours here in a second, and I'm going to go Genlu's first, and then we'll go back to yours because you've got a second one. A sticky note that stays on top. The project is currently unmaintained. Okay, so it's dead code. Very sticky note. Okay, look at that. A sticky note that's very sticky because it's going to stay there until you get rid of it, probably. Please show your chair when you push back. What do you mean? It's got very. This is as far back as it goes. It does not go back very far. It like minimally rocks. It's a house tour vote equals input folks here and here is mine. We could do it. I don't know if I wanna. I don't know if I want to show you guys. I'm not sure about that. You'll have opinions. You guys will have opinions if I do that. I feel like you'll have opinions. Why does this exist? It was initially just intended to show off a feature request for Fluid. Then I decided to make it into a functioning application. All right. Very sticky notes, a great way to quickly write down things such as URLs, facts, or code snippets. I've got a notepad. I've got a notepad for that. The notepad app. I need to chill. I forgot to back up your keys for SSH. Uh-oh. And went to reinstall your operating system. No! Oh no, that's terrible. You got to make sure to back those up. Because otherwise you lose access to everything. So this is an Electron app? Really? Wow, look at this. I like this. Okay, this is the part I'm into. I like that it's just one file. Are you kidding me? What the heck? Hold on a second. Where's the code? This can't all be it. This cannot be all it. What's this? Sorry about that, but we can't show files that are this big right now. Oh, it's text. It's a font. It's a font. Hey, it's all fine, you guys. It's all fine. Okay, here's the script. Okay. Now we're at it. Okay. So this is an Electron app, isn't it? This is definitely an Electron app. All right, here's what I like about this. It is not appearing to use any framework. It's not using any framework, so I like this part. Do you like Apple or Android, Steven? I've got an Android. I like my Android. I'm fine with Apple, too. I think they're perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. That's the font file. Yeah, Jen Lou, it's the font file. All right, here, I like this part. So I like this, that it's using Electron and it's not using a framework. It's using standard DOM because it's going to be fast, lightweight, and it's going to be super clean. This code is, imperative. It's very imperative. Empirical. It's very empirical. And easy to read and understand. So that part is actually fine. Here's the deal. You might take this the wrong way. However, I would say that simple code is better. Rather than having a whole bunch of abstractions that you're planning for future development on, simple code like this is better. It's better. Let's go. Cool, man. Let's go. A joke. Yo, mama's so big, GitHub says we can't show her. Right. It's the font file is too big. We can't show it. Hey, how's it going there, Alma? Good to see you. Welcome on in, Alma. Good to have you here. It's hard to find a project like these. Is it? I love AI spaghetti code. Is this AI spaghetti code? It looks almost, it could be. It could be. It looks good though. Hold on. Wait. Is this? It looks like a human wrote it. This looks very much like a human wrote it. Let's look at the index. Made by Jen Lu. I don't know. It looks kind of like a human wrote it. Although, yeah. This looks very human. Very human. Also, here, this is a problem. So I would recommend putting the script, although you probably define this later, put the script near the bottom. You don't need it all the way up here at the top. It's legit. It looks legit. How's it going there? English picture quiz. Welcome on in. No, I think this was a tool like GitHub Copilot went mainstream actually. Oh, you did. Let's look at. Hold on. Let's see here. Let's look at the dates. Then. Let's double check that. 2 years ago. Yep, that counts. 2 years ago. The AIs weren't good enough back then. So I told you it looked human. I told you a human wrote it. What's this config? Should be pretty small. Okay, so it's Electron configuration. This is great. All right, Jinlu, I give you like a 9 out of 10 on this. A 9 out of 10. Very clean. There's no code comments. There's no tests, things like that. Oh, there's more files? Oh, here, let's look at your styles. Okay, so you've got some named variables here. Background, a bunch of background named variables with some colors there. HLS. I don't know why you do HLS. Thank you for the hearts, reactions, you likes, you guys. Good to have you here. There are comments between just saying. There's a few comments. I missed. That's true. There was one comment I saw in the index file. Right here. Look at that. Oh no. Oh, you're right. Okay, so there's a few comments in here. There's a few more than I saw. Okay. There's a few comments in there. All right, we're looking a little bit better. I don't remember why I did this HLS either. I think it was a color picker did them. Okay, got it. No worries. Thank you for the hearts reactions, you guys. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. If it was AI, it would be F in the A. Yeah, especially 2 years ago. This is great, Jinlu. This is great. Very clean, very easy, low code, easy to manipulate, easy to maintain. You got it all right. What was your license? GPL license. Ooh, you did a GPL license. Uh-oh. Ooh, you want to do MIT is what you want to do. You want to do MIT. Rate both code quality and utility, please. Oh, so code quality is good. Utility, I would probably also say is pretty good as well. Because you can actually take your sticky notes, put them on the desktop, and they're like good memories or reminders. So it's pretty great. That's actually really impressive what you did here. This is really impressive. So yeah, overall, 9 out of 10. Actually works, actually useful. I use notes all the time, every day. I've got a special note app that I use. It's not a special note app, it's just a regular note app. I don't know why I'm saying it's special. I just use it. Kyle, this is a great repository. Jen Lu, thank you. Thank you for sharing this with us. Anything specifically that you want us to share before we head out? Oh, before we try a different repo? Problem, what's the problem? I have dealt with AI code stuff for a client once. I told them it was easier just to make a new custom solution to fix, disposability. You got it, disposability. Like someone more would benefit readability significantly. Hey, quality speaks for itself too. You sure right, it sure does. 75-inch LG, that's a pretty good sized TV you got there. Might pick it up again in the future. Now that I know more about coding, Jinlu, sounds good. But apart from that, that's it. It should be simple enough to build. Actually, if you want to try it, maybe we can try building it. Let's see if we can try building it. Let's clone this code, download. All right, we got the downloads. Actually, let's just copy this. Bring it over to our terminal window here. Open the terminal window, ls cd. Hey, Dummy, thank you for subscribing, Dummy. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Tuesday. You joined the right channel for software engineering. CD desktop / desktop mkdir. Oh, just do a git clone right here. Thank you for the hearts, likes, reactions. Appreciate the subscription. CD. This is very. There we go. All right, so vi package .json. Where is it here? All right, let's look at the build. All right, so scripts, test, start, package, make. Let's do a start. Oh, Electron Forge. All right, so I think we have to do npm install, and then we will do npm start. Is that what that is? npm start. Steven, you hate advertisements? What do you mean? What do you mean you hate advertisements? I'm actually fine with advertisements. I don't see very many of them. I want to learn coding. I don't have time for years of college. Any advice on how to get started? Well, Kehora, thank you for becoming a member. Hey, Kehora, what are you doing over there? I appreciate it. Thank you for clicking that membership button. Wow, my gratitudes to you. Thank you for joining on in. That is a really nice way to say you like what's going on. That's a really nice way to say you like what's going on. Instructions are at the bottom. Or by instructions. Were the instructions in the README or something? Oh, README, okay. npm install, save, okay. All right. Hey, Kehora, appreciate it. That's so great. I was not expecting you to do that. That was really nice for you to do that. Appreciate it. Really need to update the packages on this. Is it out of date? Join the Discord. Yeah, exactly. You could join the Discord as well. A lot of vulnerabilities. Is that what that was? I had 3 doll hairs. Hey, all right. Also apologize about the microwave situation. What is you? Nothing to apologize. You don't hate ads as well? Nice. Nice. We are not hating together. All right. So you said Mark Lemon. For coding, you start with the basics. Go towards the by example. Try writing applications yourself, like sort of what we're doing, and you'll be on your way. All right, so npm install save Electron. If you want npx, okay, we don't need to do that. npm run make, okay. All right, let's try this. npm run make. Okay, build it. We're building it. I would also like to start it. I'd like to start it. So let's run an Electron. So a little bit of Electron here. Calling promisefy on a function returns a promise is likely a mistake. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you're making mistakes. Jinlu. Uh-oh. Also apologize. Whoa, Kyle. Hey, Kyle, thank you for becoming a channel member. I've got to reciprocate. I can actually reciprocate. Kyle, thank you. Can I become a member on your channel too? Can I do that? Do you have that as an option? Kyle, thank you. That was so nice of you to do that. There's a 50% chance that you also never test this on a Mac. Oh, got it. This is on a Mac. We're on a Mac. You got blocked for a few seconds. Oh, you're good to go. You're good to go. Kyle, thank you. No, I can't. All right. Well, let me know when I can, because I will. Thanks for becoming a channel member. Yeah, exactly. Kyle, thank you. That's so cool. All right. npm run start. All right. With the actual. Oh, yeah. Okay, there it goes. All right. Check your system. Hey, look at what we got there. We got a sticky note. Hey, Jinlu, check that out. Made by Jinlu. This is a sticky note. Yeah, it is. Yes. Nice. That's really awesome. All right, now you've done it. You've done it. Color. Change the color. Oh, I like that little color rotation right there. That's pretty neat. Since you have 0 subs, LOL. Oh, Kehora, thank you again. That's a lot of warnings. I didn't get those 2 years ago. Yeah, it's a new world now. It's a new world. I'm poor to accept money. All right, all good, all good. Oh, thank you so much. That was awesome. I made a sticky note app once using that Rust framework for web view apps. You did? In Rust? Nice. Italic, color, done. Yes, nice. We did it. Can we do Party Popper? Yes, we can. We can do a Party Popper. Look at that. We can do Party Poppers right there, you guys. Party Poppers. Look at the color. Nice. That's great. Jinlu, you did it. All right, let's get rid of that. Okay. Done. Jinlu, very nice. Good job. 9 out of 10. It still works 2 years later and on a Mac too. That goes to show you did something right. This was the most stylized UI you ever made. Really good. It's really good. All right, let's go into Kyle's other post here. So let's go in there back in our Discord. So we've got this other repository we're going to review. Let's review this one here. Mac OS app that blurs your screen when you slouch. Okay. Does it require a camera? Probably does. Don't you think Electron is heavy for that though? Yeah. Yes. You could probably do Towery though. You could do Towery. It's Rust Towery. So Rust Taure, right? You could do Towery instead of Electron. So it's a little bit better, faster, stronger. You can do that, right? You could do Towery right there. A little bit of Towery for you guys. This was I made Sticky Note social media platform, and I'm not joking. You sure did. The ghosts, right? The ghosts. I remember that. You're no joke. Yeah. Towery is faster. Nice. Get the Towery going in there. Ghost Trails? Ghost Tracks? I forgot. What was it called? Ghost something. Ghost Tracking Trail? I forgot about it, Kyle. It was something like that. Ghost Tracks, Ghost Trails, Ghost something. All right, let's go to the next one. Ghost something IDK. I know, right? You forgot too? You made it. You made it. Shout out Stephen Blum. Hey, thank you, Brandon. Appreciate it. I probably just looked for an excuse to do something with Electron. Hey, that's a really good excuse to do something with Electron. All right, let's look at the next project here on Discord. All right, let's go to this one. What is it called? This is a macOS app that blurs the screen. Right, all right, we went into it. Let's read the code. Let's read the code. You know what? This time, instead of reading code on GitHub, let's read it directly on our system so we can more easily navigate the files. All right, cd desktop git clone, and then cd post. All right, what do we got? Let's look through the README real quick. It's silly. It's a pretty good idea. So what did I miss in the previous streams? Well, we did a little bit of Rust. We did a little bit more of PyTorch. And I'm probably sure we'll be heading back towards some PyTorch here because I really like PyTorch. I want to specialize this channel on PyTorch and get really good at it and start building some really legit AI. Some very good, start off with some low-key desires, some little simple things. I need to make an app that's bland and sucks in life. Out of me. Oh, so I can retire quicker? Oh, yeah, that's right. That's the way to do it. Build something that takes all of your effort and energy. You put all of your effort and energy into it, and then you can retire early. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Hey, how's it going there, Barrett? Hi, everyone. Am I late? I knocked off late today for the stream due to serialization bug. Did you? Wait, a serialization bug? Those are usually pretty straightforward, although... Are you talking about JSON serialization? Usually you are. Probably you're not talking about YAML, are you? Remember, it's not about the idea. That's right. It's not. It's about execution, you guys. PyTorch model with a graphical Qt front end made with Python 2. Jinlu. That actually sounds like a good idea. That might be the plan for tomorrow. That might actually be the plan for tomorrow. The idea is about execution. Exactly, Kyle. It's all about execution. Don't worry about the idea. Everyone else has already had your idea. It's not a new idea. It's all about how you execute. That's what allows you to win. Steven, do you like talking to us? Absolutely, Brandon. It's great to have you guys here. As of late, though, I started a small laser engraver business. Oh, you did? Really? That's pretty neat. Thank you for the hearts and reactions, you guys. Good to have you here. Happy Tuesday. Let's keep on going. So let's look through this. All right, so you can download it on the App Store, really. That's pretty great. Memes loaded. All right, excellent. RUX10,000, thank you. All right, thank you for the hearts reactions, you guys. So what do we got going on here? Let's read more through this on this side here. So we'll read it over here. All right, so it's got a AirPods or camera. Oh, use the AirPods motion sensor to detect head tilt. So you could slouch and then just have your head tilted the right way and slouch, right? You can slouch like this, right? But if it's the camera slouch, I feel like that would be better. Welcome to posture. Welcome to posture. So good to have you guys here. All right. So, let me zoom out on this. Okay, keep on going. Keep on going here. Just getting some stuff up on my screen that I could see. All right, there we go. Okay. So, let's read some of the code now. Let's read some of the code. All right, let's look at the build. I'm curious about the build. Okay. So, this looks suspiciously AI driven. AI built. Let me see here. Yeah, okay. So this looks this doesn't look like a human wrote it. I can tell you that. This looks AI. It looks like an AI wrote it. I'm seeing the signs, you guys. I'm seeing an AI wrote this one. Oh yeah, planning a new project right now. I just need to buy an Android or an Arduino. Oh no, Arduino, so I can actually develop it. So you know what, Jinlu? You don't actually need the Arduino. It depends though. If you're trying to leverage some of the real world physical devices, you can emulate an Arduino. You can emulate it. So that could probably work. Hey Karmuk, welcome on in. Good to see you. Is it yummy though? That's usually a good question. And many scenarios. So let's find out. So it's more difficult to rate this now that I know AI wrote it because I've got bias. I've got bias, you guys. What are we looking at here? So it's a build. Swift. Oh, so this is in Swift. Okay. So it's a Swift framework. So that's why we've got the build there. Okay. Release. Swift. Okay. I'm just reading through the release code here. Oh, signing. Okay, so we're doing some code signing on the release. So it can actually go into the App Store. So it can actually go to the App Store. All right. So it looks like we're going to be reading some Swift here. Hey, Karmuk, Blumbro, what's the best use of AI for you? My favorite use is AI agents, where we take this live stream that you see right now, and it reads the transcript and creates slices of the video and edits the video. That's my favorite. It's pretty neat. It's like a real use case for AI, and it works really well. Let's see, the script and documentation can be pretty annoying. Yep, let's do it. Let's look at this code. Vi source. S-O-U-R-C-E. There's a lot. There's a lot of source here. Look at that. Wow. Let's go to the app. Posture main. Okay, let's start with the posture main. So Swift is a lot nicer looking than Objective-C. I can tell you at least. Although there's a little bit of Objective-C left over in there, isn't there? A little bit of Objective-C left over in Swift. I need to emulate the serial though. Oh, got it. Because it actually requires serial between the PC and the Arduino. Got it. Okay. You can spot AI code on variable names and comments. Yeah, it's the way to do it. You can. It's looking pretty generic though. I kind of like this. So even though the AI wrote it, it's pretty clean. So it's got a menu, and then we update the menu. So this will draw the whole thing. Okay. I like it. I like it so far. So far, so good. What file should we read into next? Models. Apply macOS icon mask. All right. Rounded corner masks to an... Oh, neat. Okay. That's a pretty neat idea. I didn't know you could do that. That's pretty satisfying right there. Hey, what are you doing today? Thank you. Hey, Ramphy, we're just doing some code reviews today. We're doing some code reviews. And then we're going to be going back into some Python tomorrow. We're doing some more Python tomorrow. Though today we're going to be doing some code reviews, maybe some more memes, a little bit of memes. AI isn't good at narrative, Steven. Storytelling is not AI's strong point, to be honest. I agree with you on that. Gemini does a pretty good job, though it still struggles to take part with what a human can do. I think parts are either structured or controlled by AI because the comments seem relatively human. They are more descriptive instead of being statements. That's a good point. That is very descriptive. So this could have been written by Gemini. Gemini does a pretty good job like this. This looks like a Gemini or Codex. It could have been written by Claude, though Claude is usually... Although I can't tell. I can't tell. Let's see here. Git log. All right. Oh, I was Claude this whole time right there. Look at that. There, right there is the answer. Didn't know. It's right there, you guys. I don't think it's completely written by AI. Well, not only is it written by AI, we can blame, right? We can run a blame on it, so we can tell. We can tell. It looks like co-authored by Claude. So it looks like originally by Tom Johnell and Tom Tay Johnell also co-authored. So probably a cursor app, right? Probably a cursor app, because you can see they're doing all the Git commits. We're using Claude, which why would you do? Well, you don't need to do that. You can do that yourself. You can do it yourself. Co-authored by Claude. Dead giveaway, right? Exactly. Like, I'm pretty sure this written by right here. You got a little bit of proof right here, you guys. Just a smidgen of proof. Hey, how's it going there, Barrett? I came over this method for context engineering. I want experiment with MCPs to see if it breaks this prod legacy system I'm trying to migrate. That sounds like a great project. Let's be besties. Hey, Brandon. Good idea. Do I hear my alarm going off? Yes, I do. All right, BRB. All right, you guys. All right, let's do a little bit more code review here. If you guys have any other code repositories, put them in the Discord channel and we'll review them. We'll wait. I'll wait for you guys. If there's none for today, then we will wrap up with the memes. Thank you for the hearts reactions, you guys. It's so good to have you here. Glad to have you guys here. We will be continuing. Tomorrow's the plan. We'll be going back to PyTorch because I really like PyTorch. PyTorch is my jam. You will find something? All right, sounds good, Kyle. My comments, your commits are like, fix the thing. I know, right? Exactly. And the next commit is by Claude. Yeah. That's usually like, fixed housekeeping, did the thing, fixed bug, right? That's how you do it. Did you know it only looked 1 day for Git to track itself? Oh, it only took 1 day. Janlu, so when Linus Torvald was writing the Git version control to be a better version control system, after 1 day, it was all ready to track itself. That's impressive. That's impressive. That's how simplicity works. You want to keep things simple, clean, functional, and lightweight as much as possible. It's lightweight. Mine are no comments, and just mostly stick it. Your ticket IDs, XYZ fixed. Yeah. That's a good idea too, because then you can just refer back to the ticket ID. 2 famous things. One is Minecraft and Torch and Python. Yeah, there you go. Minecraft and Torch and Python, or PyTorch. You got it. You dug up a relic. Oh, very nice. It's in the link share. All right, Jinlu, let's check it out. All right. All right. So I'll do Kyle's first, and then I'll do Jinlu, because we did. So I'll do another Kyle, and then I'll go back to Jinlu. So we'll do Kyle. So you have a text stream, or what is this? Scroll over here. What do we got? All right. Text Stream is a free macOS teleprompter. Oh, for streamers, interviewers, and presenters. Hey, look at that. What are we doing right now? There's more repos. Yeah, more repos. It's in the link share. Thank you. Hey, how's it going there? Why? Good to see you. The letter Y. Welcome on in. All right, text stream. Look at this. All right, let's see what this does. So you've got your computer here. So you can look right at the screen. It looks like you're looking at the camera, but you're not. You're looking at what you're reading. Teleprompter pause to highlight your script as you speak in real time. Perfect for streamers who need to read sponsored segments, interviewers who want to keep questions visible, and presenters who never want to lose. All right, text it, play, start talking. That's pretty neat. So it scrolls automatically based on where you are. Guide you through your script with three modes: word tracking, highlight each word as you say it, classic, constant speed, and voice activated scrolls while you speak. That's really great. That's really useful. That's really cool, isn't it, Barrett? It's great. Let's read the code. Let's just read through the code here. All right. So this is an Xcode project, which means it's going to be Objective-C, doesn't it? It means it's going to be Objective-C. Oh, no, it's Swift. All right, well, that's a little bit better right there. Thank you for the hearts and reactions, you guys. So Swift is just a smidge better. I think that's great. All right. Where's the main at? Where's the main? Content view. Is that main? Well, let's just jump into here real quick. All right, let's take a peek at this. Hey, Ashford, this good to see ya. Welcome on in. Yeah, it's cool. I think it's great. It's really useful. Could use this. I could use this when doing like recordings and stuff. And it's much better than having to memorize something because you can just read off the screen. Okay, body, stack, H stack. All right, so we've got... Okay, so this is a nice layout. So H stack and Z stack. So this is going to be the main content areas. I somehow figured out the main content view, which is great. Oh, first try, you guys. I sent you a Python game I made a few hours with Gemini. Nice, Kyle, nice. Very nice. All right, let's keep on going. Let's keep looking here. Image system running. Stop fill, play fill. Okay, font. Foreground, frame, background. Overall, I'm happy with this. I think it's great. There's a lot of dots. Out here with an image and all of its style. Okay, so this is just styling. Okay, this is just styling. That's fine. See, this is great. It's all about describing what's going to be happening visually on the screen. Clean. It is not, it's all based in code, so it's going to compile, which is going to be very nice. Nice to be back after a while, Ashford. Yeah, I was working on a big project. Tell us about it. What did you do? Ashford? Okay. Color.clear. Invisible drop target converting the entire window. Content shape rectangle. Okay. Let's see here. Provider load object. Guard. Let URL. Else return. What? I'm not familiar with this syntax. So I'm not that familiar with Swift. So this is odd because it's saying define the URL or return. And where's the data for the URL? So like this part I don't get. Hey man. Hey Sonny, good to see you. Rust is fast still. Why no good game dev engine is there? Unity is in C# and Unreal is C++. That's a good point. You bring a good point. Someone needs to build a AAA game engine for Rust. That's what they got to do. That's what we're missing. That's what we're missing, you guys. We are missing that. That is exactly what we're missing. All right, 1 second. Edit titles. All right, so we're doing code reviews. Reading code. Okay. Update titles. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's so guard is if there is not a URL, it returns. Oh. Where's the scope coming in from though? Like, oh, right there it is. Right there, Steven. Oh, yes, right there. Okay, I see it now. So if it's empty and it's expecting. Okay, got it. See, this is very weird syntax right here. This is very unexpected. Also with the underscore, like this is just odd. This whole segment right here, it's just not that human friendly. Your website with a live stream integration? Oh, really? Ashford, that's pretty great. That's pretty awesome. Very nice. It synthesized your initial passion with your expertise. That's a really good way to say it. I like that phrase. I barely understand what I'm reading. I know, me too. Like this part right here is just strange. This whole section. It's just very unexpected. There's a lot of guards. So is this like an if? Oh, it's an if. It's like an if statement. Okay. So if guard and probably like return, else if it's fine, continue on forward. Or no, it's the opposite. Guard if it's okay, otherwise fail out. Got it. Okay. I'm starting to get it now. No, make a Rust game engine, Steven. It synthesizes your initial passion with your expertise. Oh, I see where you're describing, Kyle. Okay. So you're saying, Steven, you should actually make the game engine. That would be... I've done that before. I've made several game engines before. I have. They're not, like, phenomenal. They just did a little bit of graphics, high performance graphics, and GPU accelerated graphics, and audio. And audio framework as well. Hey, Yusuf, good to see you. Welcome on in. Steven, what TV brand do you hate? They're all the same. They're all from China and Taiwan, right? They're all from China and Taiwan. They're all the same. The software is different. on all of them. So I don't really have a dislike between any of them. They're all fine. Although I can tell you that the processor for the Sony TV that I got one time was very slow processor, and the operating system was not properly paired with the performance of the CPU in the TV. So the smart TV component was very slow, and that was Sony. So I can tell you that was just an experience I had. However, LG usually is WebOS, and they give you the right CPU because it's really fast. And Samsung, they do also a very good job at pairing the operating system with the hardware of the CPU. So it's nice in performance. It's a good experience. So that's my take on that. I've made my game in C++ before. You did? And Game Jam? You did? Jinlu? Nice. That's a great idea. The source isn't on GitHub. It was the itch.io page for it. Nice. You still have that TV? Technically I do. However, it's left at my old place, and whoever decides to purchase that place gets the TV. They get to keep it. It's theirs now. They can do whatever they want with it. How much time is required to go from beginning to PyTorch intermediate? Estimated. I would say maybe about a couple of weeks, maybe. You could easily do like full intermediate, which gives you the ability to write whatever you want for the most part. Okay, Hora. Oh, yeah. So Yusuf, probably a couple weeks. How's it going there, YouTuber? Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. We're just looking through some of the code here. So, iflet. There is an iflet. Right here, there's an iflet. Right there, you guys. Iflet, right there. See, in Rust, there's also an iflet. So that's why I'm like, the guard is also, it's confusing. So there's a guardlet. There's a guardlet. Why do you need a guardlet if you have an iflet? You love Israel? Israel's fine. I don't have a problem with the country. Why would I? Like, what there's people everywhere, and most of the time they're just people. Then there's nothing you can do about where you're from. So this is pretty neat. All right, let's look at some other code here. You know what? We'll do one more. We'll look at a little bit more file here, although it's very clearly. Let's go to code real quick. Let's go to right here. Take a peek at some of this real quick. Oh, this is actually really well maintained. Look at this. This is pretty great. This is actually really... you know what? Kyle, thank you. Thank you, Kyle. Can you do mine? Just playing? Sure. Put it in the Discord. Over here in the Discord. Just playing, throw it in the Discord. We'll rock through it. All right, so let's do Jinlu's next. This is a Python project. This repository was archived by the owner. Jinlu, this is OpenPy. Is a Python project to make Python more accessible to people. The basic commands are search, app, and run. All right. Startup, JSON. What do you got in here? What's in here? Welcome message version. Okay. Very nice. Shell.py. Is that all that is? Or so you got a shell py requirements. What do you got in here? Request. Okay, so you're making URL requests. Where to though? What are you doing on the network there, Jinlu? What are you doing? Let's look at your code here. All right. Why is that not pretty? Why is that not syntax highlighted? Okay. I just had to reload it. This one's a relic. Is it? It's a really old one? Want to know what TV I hate? If you do, I'm a hater of Sharp Aquos TVs. The OS is junk, and my TV as well to technically have that TV. It is your basement with only the speakers left. All right. That's good to know. All right. So take care to avoid the Sharp Aquos TVs. Take care. What repo is this? This one is... So I might have been looking at another repo. So the one we were looking at earlier is called the Mac... not that one. Where is it? Where did I get rid of it? Not that one. Where'd it go? Here, I closed it. Is what I did. It's called text trim. And it does sort of... What do you call... Teleprompter? It's like a teleprompter for you. If you're recording something, you can just read from the screen. It still looks like you're reading from the screen, so I've tried to build something like this in the past. Can you do me in the Discord group? Oh, can you add me to the Discord group? Yeah, exactly. Let's do it. All right, so y'all likes. All right, so let me go here. Copy your name. Let's copy that. All right, we'll give you. So just for you, Yali. What do you say? Yalikius? There you go, Yalikius. Just for you. Just for you. I don't know what it's doing. It's just random CLI to launch Python files. Jinlu, we're going to find out. We're going to read through it. The links to repos to share. Join the Discord. Yep, thank you. Hey, Alex, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you. Happy Tuesday. We're doing some code here. We're going to be going tomorrow. The plan is more PyTorch. I want to get back into the PyTorch. Maybe a little bit of Qt like you guys are describing. Barrett, Steven, I do swear, if you would do secure code reviews, you would pinpoint juicy stuff before the actual exploit. Yeah, you're a legend, dude. Thank you. I appreciate it. We're just like reading through some of the code. Maybe we'll find a bug or two. You never know. You never know. Always read the code before you run it. Although that is kind of hard, right? Because there's a lot of code out there. You do got to be careful. I'll try one more. Maybe I got a faulty unit. If it's still trash, then the TVs are junk. All right, that's good, Brandon. Brandon, you know it. What in what Discord channel? Do that just plain, or so just in the link share. Just link dash share. So it is hashtag link share. I think, yeah. The link share channel. All right, let's do Jinlu. Jinlu, let's check out what you got over here. All right, let's read through the code here. Oh, problem right there. I see immediate code problem. Indentation. That's too much indentation right there. All right, so you've got some sort of, data apps package shell API. Why do you have so much directory going on there? Hold on a second. You know what? I'm going to clone this so I can read it a little bit better. All right. cd desktop git clone. Let me type clone correctly. CLONE. CD original. Okay. Data ops. Why'd you put all this stuff over here? What are you doing? Text. Okay. This file is not a text file. Okay. Wait. What? Data NEXE. Input execute. Execute code. Oh. Wait, hold on a second. Python exec. What is this? Can you say print? Hello? Can you do that? Oh, look at that. Jinlu, you're teaching us something. I didn't know about the exec command, the exec command that can just evaluate Python code like that on the fly. I didn't know about that. You just, that's really neat. Jinlu, thank you. Hey, Sammy, good to see you. Welcome on in. Gun Heist. Hey, it's time to code reviews. Oh, what we're doing. Let's go. You love your audience. Nice. Let's go. Gun Heist, appreciate it. I don't know why I tried to first make that stuff. It's all good. You're teaching. We're learning new things together. Look at that. Look at that right there. I think it's pretty great. I like that. All right, what else we got in here? What else? Let's do data apps. Let's see. Let's do hello world. Let's look at the hello world. Import package, shell API, big print. Big print. What's the big print? Hold on. What is that? What is big print? Where'd you put this? Package, shell API, big print. What is this? What is this? Is it big print? It just looks like you're throwing a bunch of octothorpes in there. That's what that looks like you're doing. Big print. Warning, amount of characters too high. Wait. What? Char number? Okay. Link to the text. Oh, okay, got it. I see. Okay. Got it. Before text. Okay. I see what you're doing here. I get it. Okay. I understand. I got some slices there. Looking good. Jinlu, you have amazing music and code, dude. You always putting yourself out there. But we see you are a genius. Yes, Jinlu. Jinlu is legit. Jinlu is legit, you guys. Jinlu knows exactly. Jinlu knows what's up. I'll try to know falsely. Okay. I'm just going back through some of the chats. Execs is very safe. Ever heard of SQL injection? I know, right? Just playing. I'm back about 20 minutes. All right, sounds good. Exactly. You got to be careful. Exec and eval are the root of all evil. Are the root. Win end stream. Well, don't. in a little bit, we're going to wrap up. So we're going to look through a little bit more code reviews. Then we'll go through some of the memes. And then we'll wrap up for the day. And we'll be back tomorrow with some PyTorch. Big print added the hashes above and below. I figured that much. Just a little bit. So I want to try that. Let's try big print. CD ls CD source. Hold on. Wait. CD desktop. CD original. CD data apps. CD package. Vi shell. Was this the right one? Yes. Okay, big print. Okay. So we can do import shell API. Python. Gotta spell it right. Python. Show me final results, please. The last attack. Hey, how's it going, last attack? What final results are you describing? What are we doing? We're doing some Python code review right now. Mick Pice, good to see you. Yo, just joined. What are we doing today? Good question. We're doing some code review. Jin Lu has some very old code here. Hold on. I'm actually gonna get log from about 4 years ago. It's 4 years ago. Code from 4 years ago. Quite a while ago. Import shell API. So we say shell. Oh, so how about we say from shell API import? Is it called big print? All right, let's look up here. It's called big print. Okay, yes, like this. All right, let's try it. Big print. Big print. PRINT. And we'll try it. Big. All right, let's see if that works. Why didn't it work? Alignment. Okay. What is alignment supposed to be? Left or right? Okay, got it. Comma. We'll say left. There you go. Big. There we go. We did it. We did the big print. Hey, Jinlo, I bet you never thought someone else would run your code like this before. A long time. Vibing to background music. Nice. So when Steven's about to end stream, remind him, and he still has 20 minutes left. Exactly. We got 20 minutes to go. We're actually around 20-minute mark right now. We actually are. No joke. We are happening. Wait, I didn't add defaults to the old functions. I know you didn't. Because of the left, right? Can we do right? Let's do right. RIGHT. Is it going to work? It sure does. Look at that. The only difference is when you do a right aligned, it doesn't have that extra space here, right? Because you can see that the space compared to the space in front here because of this extra space here, right? That's the only thing that's different. You can do center. Let's do center. C for center. Hey, very nice. That looks like a center to me. Is it though? Is it perfectly centered? One. And let's count it. One. Well, actually, you know what? I've got a better idea. This is. Oh, it's not gonna let me. Okay. Yeah, all right, we're fine. Sorry, missing some of the chats, you guys. Thank you for chatting. Good to have you here. Rust. A little bit of Rust. It's a smidgen. Yeah, I never intended it to run by anyone else. After it discontinued it, you found out that it works. Center also works. It does. It works pretty well. If we create better language than Rust, can we call it Polish? If you want, it's up to you. If you make it, you get to name it. I can't because your text has an odd amount of characters. But yes, you read it. Yep, exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. It's not perfectly centered. That's perfectly fine, though. That's perfectly fine. All good. This is pretty neat. I like how you did that. You calculated the spaces. What is get data? Data equals env, system, Darwin, Mac OS, platform release, version. I kind of want to run this. Get data. But what is data? We'll just say env. Oh, con size. Oh, interesting. You've got a whole bunch of different things in here, don't you? I'm just going to read through it. It's dealing with the environmental variable, so I'm going to be careful and not do anything. Why did you call my temporary values Calc 1 and Calc 2? I mean, hey, we all do it. Don't worry. It's not that bad. It's okay. It's forgivable. Because we know what's going on. We know that you're calculating the center. Now I want a Rust. You want a Rust? Rust is great. I love it. I think it's a great language. see here. If we create better language, yep, got that one. Yes, never intended. Okay. Let me know if I miss any of your messages and just retype them. Get data was fetch system information and stuff. Nice. Why is it getting OS? That's actually a good point. That's a good question. McPice, let's take a look. Let's read it. All right, so it's got the name. If OS name is Darwin, then it just changes to Mac OS. So that is just like a neat little. It's just a conversion. It's just a conversion. It's looking for Darwin because see, watch uname. It's gonna say Darwin right here. It says Darwin on my screen, so that would mean that it just changes at Mac OS. Get data was to fetch system information. Why is getting OS? Yeah, exactly. It's just because OS is trying to get terminal size because that was the top Google result. Oh, all right. Okay. Did we have? Let's see. Well, let's see. Look through a little bit more here. Let's look through the text read. What is this? Oh wait, we already read through that one. Text read random. Import random from val to val. Okay. Oh, that's pretty nice. I like that one. Python. What do you call this? App. Oh, we're already in this directory. All right. CD. All right, 1 second. Python. So I think we can just run the straight up Python random like this. From 1. Let's do run to 100. Hey, it didn't work. Hey, why did that work? Oh, this is from the terminal. I thought I did something unintended. Uh-oh. You did? Oh, no worries, no worries. Why does this not work? If float. Oh, it's got to be a float. You want it to be a float. Okay, 1.0 to 100.0. Oh, it doesn't like that either. What did I do wrong? Random float. It already converts it to float. The value 2 has to be higher than the quit. Value random float. This is this doesn't work. Takes no arguments. 2 given. You wrote some code that didn't work. Hey Jinlu, what are you doing over here? It's broken. We can fix it. It's supposed to be random.randint. Randint. There you go. From 1 to 100. A float object cannot be interpreted as integer. So we got to get rid of the floats. There you go. Okay, now it'll work, right? 100. Oh, now it's still not working. String object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Because we have to convert it. We have to say int. Like that. Okay. Now we're good. Hey, 1 to 100. All right, now is it gonna work? Hey, there it goes. We fixed it. Int conversion. All right, we did it. Oh yeah, the random not random. Yep. You stupid. Yep. Hey, no worries. Now it should work. It works now. We fixed it. I fixed it for you. All right. Nice. Yeah, I don't know why it was broken. You had some broken code in there just for the fun of it. Hey, no worries. This is just code. It looks like early days. See, you did it the right way. Like, this is what you want to do. You want to write code, even if it's broken, even if it's wrong, you're actually writing code. It is a way to progress further. I think it's really great. You did it right. Are we going to do Rust to Mars or C in real time? Ooh, I don't know. So I don't think it's going to be C. I think, if anything, if it's going to be between Rust or C going to Mars, it'll be Rust. Rust is more reliable. Rust, humans can make mistakes. Now, free consulting service. Give Steven broken code and watch him go. Yeah, exactly. We fixed it. We can fix it, you guys. All right. Was there another one in here? Okay, so we've got 2 more. Or no, did we get sidestep? All right. So we'll go to Coloss MG real quick. We'll do this one. And we'll clone this. All right. Let's close this. All right. Jinlu, that was fun. Get clone. So we'll do another one here. Yeah, I gotta type clone, right? Get clone a. Called build systems. MV build systems to build CD build. All right. What do we got in here? What's going on here? Oh, you got a make file. Oh, what do we build? What is this? You make list. Compile the bat. The compile.bat. Is this a Windows? Are you doing something on Windows here? New. I think other repositories deserve some publicity too. Yeah, Jinlu, we're making our way. We're making our way onto the next one. Play my Python game. Oh, you've got a Python game? Oh, right. Kyle, where? Wait. Did you put another one? Oh, the game. Oh, sorry, I missed it. All right, let's take a look here. There's Bite the Fire. There's no other details. All right, let's clone this real quick. All right, 1 second. Hold on. Git clone. All right, cd byte. Let's read through it. All right, it's using Pygame. All right, got some Pygame in here. A little bit of Pygame here. Okay. Bro, today, what are you doing? Oh, it's going there, Krishna. Krishna, we are doing some code review. Y'all are putting your repositories into the link share on Discord, and we're reading through your code, and we're running it. Is the screen resolution set to 1080? Well, it's actually, I don't know what the resolution is, though you can see right here. That might give you the answer a little bit, right? A little bit of the answer there. A little bit of the answer for you. What's good, fam? How y'all? Hey, Tiny Rick. Welcome on in, Tiny Rick. Good to see ya. Screen is cropped on mobile. If you want, there's also on the LinkedIn and Twitch. There is a horizontal, so you can see here there's a horizontal option. YouTube, though, we're here for YouTube, you guys. Here for the YouTube. Good to have you guys here. Steven, have you ever tried usize? I've not tried. It sounds like a shell. A shell. I've not tried it, though. Oh, my shell. I've not tried it. Quantified Quantum. I've not seen it. Let's see. Just reading through some of the comments, you guys. Let me scroll here. I think that's a little bit easier there to see. Okay, perfect. Okay. What are we building? Mohammed, we are reading through people's codes. Whatever you put into the Discord, we are looking at today. We're looking at it. The sidestep thing is my game, by the way. Is it? Wait, which one? Which one was that? You said sidestep? Oh, right here. Oh, we got to do this one as well. Okay. Oh, hey. Now we're into it. Now, this is great. Okay, Jinlu. Sorry, Kyle. Jinlu came first because it's an easy button. Sound due to technical limitations. If you want to play the game with sound. All right. Oh, well. All right. Select to GH. Oh, what's this? I broke it. I have to restart it. I don't know what to do. The game will continue in 5 seconds. You must download the native build. Sorry for the inconvenience. You could have done sound in the browser. You could have done sound. Hey, Jinlu. Select G. Confirm. Move right H. What? Confirm. Press confirm to continue. Oh, H. Okay. H. Options. Start game. What do I do? Confirm to go back to the main menu. Okay. Start. What do I do? Oh, I have to really tap it really hard. Okay. I don't know, General. I don't know about this one. All right, I'm getting it. All right, we're getting the score up. The score's up coming now. You got it. Here's the score. On our way, you guys. Is it going to get harder? This is pretty tough. All right, we're doing okay. Let's see what our high score can be. Does it get faster eventually? We're making our way. Sorry, I'm not paying attention to chat, you guys. What do you guys say over there? Said, hey, how's it going there? Good to have you guys in. Oh my God! Oh, there's too many. Jinlu, that was fun. That was crazy. Speaking of AI, can we do something on that, like starting out and which systems to use? You're better to use Vim, Python, etc. Tiny Rick, I think so. G to move, H to move right. Okay, got it. I figured it out, Jinlu. I tried, but the WASM compiler was broken and didn't want to do audio. Okay, that's fair. Quantified Quantum says that the Oh My shell is like most popular shells. It is. It's the most popular share for prompt theme plugins. Oh, really? I didn't even know. I use Z Shell. I use the default shell on Mac. So, procedural generation game? Yeah, it is. Sir, please try Ada programming language. Someday it'll be fun. All right, Salmon King. Salmon, sounds good. What genre of game is that? That was sort of, I guess, a runner game? A runner game? Kind of like a puzzle? You can look at the individual current resolutions on the top 3 dots under the resolutions. Ah, yes. I want to do playlist Rust Crash Course with modern tech. That would actually be a really good one, wouldn't it? What are we building? I do got to get going here pretty soon, you guys. What if we turn the debug overlay on so you can see some of the neat values? Sure. Let's try it. All right. Run game. All right. Continue. All right. Got to wait for it to continue. Now I have a Stephen Blum gaming channel. Just we have to make games, guys. Exactly. That would be great. All right. So options. Debug overlay on. Graphics. Looks fine to me. Back. Start game. Okay. All right. Now we got back into it. All right. Making our way. Oh, that was a tricky one. I'm kind of enjoying this. I kind of like it. There's a little bit of skill to it. You got to be like paying attention. Otherwise, it will fail. Like right here. Here's a big one. That was a big one. A really tricky one. Let's go the easy route. Ah, we did the easy route. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, I almost messed that up. Like, I want to see. Bro, meet you tomorrow. Sounds good, YouTuber. Well, good to see ya. Yeah, it's for the ZSH. Oh, nice. Oh, I was reading chat. This is pretty neat. Jinlu, you did a good job on this. Good job. Good job, Jinlu. That's pretty great. That was a lot of fun. Contribute to open source libraries and projects that might help me getting my placement. Yeah, absolutely. Contributing is a good way. Building projects. Why didn't you use the traditional arrow keys instead of GH? That was actually kind of clever. I thought it was pretty neat. Let's see. Pretty cool game. Who wrote it? Jinlu. Jinlu wrote it. A Jinlu official wrote the game. So that was Jinlu. So you spell like Jinlu is the game author. That's pretty great. That was pretty great, Jinlu. LPC is the chance of a turn spawning. LS is the likelihood of a structure, like a split. Oh, or a large opening spawn. Nice. Hey, the Wahab, welcome on in. Good to see you. Hello, Steven. Good to have you here. Yeah, I'm down for games. I want to make a zombie game and call it President Evil. I like that. I remember Resident Evil. Those are great games. President Evil is a good idea. I like that play on words. Hey, by the way, Steven, I might like a small video for a uni project. You'll DM you later. Sounds good, Torva. Appreciate it. Let's do it. I'm excited about what you're thinking. You make a new playlist, okay, Rust? Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We're going to head back over to some Python, though, here. Dog Steven. Late to the live. Hey, no worries. The infamous. Good to see you. Welcome on in. All right, so what did we not look at yet? So we didn't look at this one, right? What was this one? Did we do this or we didn't look at? So I already downloaded it. All right, so wait, Byte Fire. Hold on, LS. Python main. All right. Here is a game. Press space to load. All right. What is the idea? Can we move? Oh, we can move. Oh. Okay. Oh, is that a bad guy? Okay, so we can't touch that. Is there a fire button or something? Can I shoot? It looks like... Oh, no, that's a shadow. Okay. No, I don't make, please. Oh, all right. All good. Source code's available on the download section. Jinlu, yep, thank you. What TV brand don't you recommend? Good question. iDog Steven, late to the live. You're good. You're no worries. You're good. The goal is to keep the fire alive. Oh, well, it's too late now. So I got to collect the sticks is what I got to do. How do you collect the sticks? It's probably too late. The fire's probably... It's freezing here. I've got this jump command, but I don't know what else to do. This game is giving you anxiety because it's chasing you so fast. I know, right? There's a lot of chasing. Oh, run! Run away! Run! No! It's gonna get you. So I don't know what else. Oh, okay. So you got the AWSD. That's good. Get the enter space bar for jumping. Oh, torch lit. Oh, neat. Look at that. You got a torch. T for torch. All right. E. Wait. E for what? E for what? Steven trying to leak the GTA 6. I want the GTA 6. I'm really. There are different biomes too, different directions. That is pretty neat. Torch faded. Do I have any other torches? The cold took you. Oh no! All right, the cold took me. Hey, you guys, I gotta get going. I don't have a lot of time left. It was a lot of fun hanging out with you, though. Steven, it's like the old school ski game back in the 1995. That's pretty great. Interact with E. Oh, okay. Interact with E. Got it. E. E. Thank you for the hearts, you guys, and collect sticks. All right, let me see if I can collect the stick. Is that a stick over here? E. Okay. Got the wood. I got the wood. Got it. Okay. Got the wood. Perfect. See if I can get back to the fire. Nice. All right. So I do have to get going. Bye. I love you in a good way. All right, Brandon. So let's see here. I do have to get going, you guys. It was a lot of fun. I didn't get much chance to review the other stuff here. Let me see here. CD build by. Okay, so there's this bat file. Wow, look at this original JetBrain. Interesting. Let's look through this one more time. And then I need the code. The code's in the code directory. Jinlu, all right, see ya. Yeah, I do, guys. Got to get going. It was a lot of fun. We didn't have time to do the memes, though we'll be ready for tomorrow. It's been a pleasure. Torva, everyone, thank you for hanging out, you guys. See you on the next stream. You have done my code already. Just playing. I don't think I did enough of your code, though. I did think it was funny that your code was in the code folder. I thought it was pretty good. We'll see you guys next stream. Thank you for the hearts and reactions. So good to see you guys. A lot of fun today. A lot of code reviews. I enjoyed the code reviews. I think that was like a nice little break. A little bit of break in the middle. Bye. Love you in a good way. All right, Brandon. Thank you. Well, I guess we got to do tomorrow. A little bit for tomorrow. You got it. A little bit for tomorrow. That's the plan. All right, you guys. I'm headed out. Got to get going. Bye, everyone. Good to see ya. Be back tomorrow.